Hello listeners. Last week, as we expected that we would see an all-time high this week, and we saw the Nifty going above the 20,000 levels. So now we are close to 20,200 levels on the Nifty. So what is driving this rally? This week, the euphoria surrounding the G20 meeting, the positive inflation data from India, as well as no surprises from the US inflation data kept the sentiment on the higher side. During the week, on Tuesday, we saw a sharp correction in mid-cap and small cap. We still believe that there is nothing to worry, as we see it more as a reason for markets to book some profits. We still see selective opportunities in the mid-cap and the small cap space. We would advise investors not to chase the momentum stocks in the mid-cap and the small cap portfolio. Now, my sense is that going forward, you would see churning more towards the large cap side of the market, as the valuations are more comfortable over there vis-a-vis the small cap and the mid cap. Again, we continue to believe that in the upcoming week, we would see traction in the IT space, in the metal space, as well as the banking sector. So, you also keep an eye on the sugar sector stocks for the coming week. With sugar internationally trading at multi-year highs, we believe that sugar sector stocks should benefit from this development. Now, keep an eye on the rising crude oil prices for the next week. We believe that this could play a spoil sport for markets next week. So avoid paint stocks and tire stocks for the next week. Also, the Federal Reserve monetary policy meeting on Wednesday is likely to be a non-event, especially because we expect the Federal Reserve to keep the interest rates status quo. The only thing which we would watch closely is the tone of the Federal Reserve Chairman about how he thinks that the rate trajectory would move forward. Is there one more hike still in play? So that would be a close thing which we would keep an eye on. So again, I would reiterate that the undertone of the market still remains positive, largely driven by the gush of liquidity flow, especially from the domestic institution side. So that's all from my side. Thank you, listeners.